Hello, it's Cedric Melton, Director of Community Relations for the Village of Oak Park. It's nice that the warm weather is finally here, but with it, unfortunately, sometimes comes an increase in the amount of graffiti we see around town. Graffiti can send the wrong message about a community, and we at the Village of Oak Park take its prompt removal very seriously. For example, Public Works will remove graffiti from public property within 24 hours. Here I am in an alley behind Lake in Harlem. We got a call from the graffiti hotline earlier today, alerting us to some tagging that was on these electrical boxes. So I wanted to give you an example of the types of graffiti we have in the village. You see here on this electrical box, we've got graffiti. We also have it on this box as well. And this is really typical of the kinds of hits we get. Taggers hit stop signs, mailboxes, utility poles, that kind of thing. You know, the real key to graffiti removal is making sure you get the graffiti down as quickly as possible. Studies show that the faster the graffiti is removed, just like that, the less likely the structure or property is to be hit again, because taggers don't have an open canvas anymore. Another key factor in graffiti removal is being very specific about the location of the graffiti. Not only should you be very specific about what it looks like, but it's so important that you tell us exactly where it is. When you see something like this, don't ever hesitate to call the graffiti hotline to report it. Don't think somebody else is going to make the call. I can't tell you the number of times I've talked to people and they've said, it's been up for 3 weeks. And I said, how has it been up that long? And they said, well, I thought somebody else was going to call in. Don't wait, make the call. Now, what you just saw happen with these two electrical boxes is exactly what we want people to do. The resident who called in the markings on these boxes don't belong to them, but they took the time and had the initiative to call to report the tagging, because tagging on anybody's property costs us all. Now, when it comes to graffiti on residential property, most taggings take place on garages. In those instances, residents can call Community Relations and receive free graffiti removal solution. Or if they choose, they can use the Cook County Sheriff's Graffiti Removal Program for removal. If you see someone committing graffiti, don't hesitate to call 911. We need your help in reporting graffiti wherever it is. Call the graffiti hotline at 708-358-5429.